Well, cooler temperatures today in addition to showers and storms, but the radar wasn't the only thing busy. Meteorologist Kristen Ketchel here now to tell us what's going on in the tropics.
It's been a really quiet season for the Atlantic, but we're keeping a close eye on our next storm system, which actually just formed into a tropical system today. That's Tropical Storm Danny. Right now, winds at 40 miles per hour, gusting to 50 miles per hour, moving to the west at about 13 miles per hour. Still way out into the Atlantic, but it is expected to strengthen here over the next few days. So here's our computer model forecast right now. Most of the computer models have this storm heading into the Caribbean, so it will be impacting many of the islands there. We'll keep a close eye as it continues to work its way to the west. Definitely worth watching as it enters warmer waters. And as far as the forecast track goes from the National Hurricane Center, we are predicting it to actually reach Category 2 hurricane status by the start of the weekend. By Saturday, it could have winds up to 100 miles per hour, making it the first hurricane since October of last year. And here's a look at the historical storms named Danny. We've had 5 of them in 1985, 91, 97, and then in 2003 and 2009. Only 2 of those have actually made a U.S. landfall and impacted the Carolinas actually with some rain. So again, something worth watching here over the next few days. Could be busy for us once that storm continues to work its way closer to the U.S.
Yeah, but over 3,000 miles away, we've got a little time.
We've got some time, definitely.
In the meantime, we will be tracking some thunderstorms right here. Let's take a look at our radar. We're all thankful for the fact that it wasn't 95 again today. 85 is where we topped out. And as you can see, clouds and a few showers helped keep us a little cooler. Some showers right now, nothing severe, but some heavy downpours along the I-95 corridor. Most of the triangle is dry right now, but another batch of scattered showers and thunderstorms moving in from the southwest. So these will move through in the next couple of hours, and then most of the overnight will be generally dry. But we're in a pattern that's going to keep clouds and showers in our forecast for the next several days. Now today, compared to where we were yesterday, an amazing cool down. In fact, right now, it's 16 degrees cooler in Lewisburg up in Franklin County than it was last night at this time. 13 degrees cooler in Clayton, 16 degrees cooler in Fayetteville. So there wasn't a cold front like we normally would have when there's that big of a temperature drop, but it's the clouds and the showers, and we will keep some of those around for the next several hours as we drop down to 78 at 8 o'clock. A slow fall tonight, 77 at 10, mid-70s overnight. Most of the overnight is dry, like your morning will be. Just a stray shower in the morning as we start your Wednesday off about 71 degrees. Now, something else that changed today, temperatures went down, but that humidity level went way up, and that's going to stay up the rest of this week. Dew point temperature averaged about 70 today, where over the last few days it was down here in the 50s and 60s. So higher humidity and higher rain chances over the next several days, mainly because we've got a southwesterly flow. That's a warm, it's a moist flow. We get a little bit of heat in the afternoon, and we get some scattered showers. You see them up and down the East Coast. This will persist for the next several days. That cold front still scheduled to get here on Friday will help dry us out a bit for the weekend. But not really for tomorrow. Your morning time generally dry, but also cloudy. So a second day in a row, we're not going to have a lot of sunshine. We get to mid-morning, could see a few specks of green showing up on the radar. And again, it's not expected to be a severe weather day, but some scattered showers and thunderstorms, including through lunchtime. Most of our activity happens from mid-afternoon to late afternoon, and a lot of it will be focused from the triangle on east. Here we are now at 6 o'clock. So it's not going to rain all day, but scattered showers on and off throughout the day and into the late evening hours. And again, we're not going to be able to shake those clouds. So temperatures tomorrow, about where we were today. We'll go 86 here in the triangle, 88 down in Fayetteville. Another day with mostly cloudy skies. Similar rain chances also to what we had today. We'll put it at 60% on the 7-day. And here is that 7-day. So from 85 today, we're up to 86 tomorrow. Then we heat up to 90 Thursday, 89 Friday. But notice with slightly lower rain chances, a little more sunshine is why we'll be warmer. The cold front comes through on Friday, and here's what it does to our weekend. Keeps us in the mid and upper 80s with low rain chances and even some overnight lows in the 60s, Sharon. So that kind of tells us it might be a little more comfortable. So weekend looks good. But as we get into next week, we'll pop in a few more showers, keep temperatures in the upper 80s. So our 3-degree guarantee high tomorrow, 86. Sharon, today we made it to 85. We had forecast 83. So we're within our 3 degrees, along with our friends over at Allen Kelly Heating and Air. Another $100 for Brown Bag Ministry as they continue every Saturday morning to pack lunches and many other things for the homeless and the poor, the people who need that food and water. Up to $1,600 for the month. We're going to use that to continue to supply them so they can continue their ministry.
Great. $1,600 already to go to such a wonderful cause.
Yeah, so got a few more weeks to go.
Exactly. And the weekend looks fabulous. Got to say that. All right. Thank you, Wes.